Hi there, this is Silas at Sheds by Design. We're going to take a quick walkthrough tour here of this 10x14 A-frame lap-sided shed. And I'm just going to point out the details here as we go. It's got a 29 gauge charcoal metal roof. It's got a 50-year LP Smartside siding and trim product. And this is a lap siding. So you got 8-inch lap there. This product is extremely resistant to rot and decay. It's got a 50-year warranty on it. The bugs won't eat it. They absolutely hate this product. It's got zinc borate in it, which is non-toxic to humans, but the bugs can't stand it. 36-inch entry door, 2x6 pressure treated floor joists, and a 3/4 floor sheathing product on top of that. Very durable. Inside the building, 2x4 studs, 16 on center, double top plates, bottom plate, another set of double doors there at on the other gable, a section of pegboard, a workbench, and that is a ramp. So once the building is delivered and installed, that ramp will be pulled out in front of those double doors. Very durable product, very low maintenance, and with the lap siding, some HOAs do require this, so this can help you get HOA shed approval. Sometimes it's just color matching, but generally HOAs require either color matching, which in this case this shed matched the color of the house, white. The HOA was okay with a metal roof in this instance. Some HOAs require shingle roofs, and some HOAs require the siding type match exactly the house, which in this case was the lap siding. So contact Sheds by Design if you're looking for a shed, you're needing HOA approval. We can help you work through the process and get your shed approved and get it in your backyard so you can enjoy it. And as always, you can buy outright, or we have the options to finance or rent to own with one payment down.